Hello everyone. I just thought I'd make this quick video just to explain our freight program. So coming from a bit of a dealer background ourselves, we really understand the hassle of having to wait 48 hours for a free quote from your manufacturers when your customer wanted that quote yesterday. So to make it easier, we have developed a bit of a program, as you can see here on my screen, where you don't even have to ask for a quote. Obviously, for quantities, feel free to reach out. We can do some discounting in that depending on the quantity. But as you can see here, each section of North America has been given a zone, zones 1 to 5, and all you have to do is find your state or province. We'll use Florida, for example, here. You can see that's kind of the fourth darkest blue color. And you go to the side, there you go. Florida's in zone 4, 9% of net or $100 minimum. Pop that into your quote. You can be the first one to get your quote back to your customer. These days, seems like time is money, so it's great being the first one with a quote back to your customer. Generally gives you a bit of a leg up on the competition. And it's as simple as that. Make sure you check out our other videos to learn more about us. Thank you.